Chris Brown dropped a new diss track titled Weakest Link, aimed at rapper Quavo amid their ongoing feud. The 34-year-old Grammy winner did not hold back on the scathing song, in which he goes as far as saying R.I.P. Take off. He the only real one. I got true respect. Crazy how when he died everybody really wished it was you instead. The track is in response to Quavo's recent song Tender, in which he calls out Brown's history of domestic abuse. The title of the song is a throwback to what the Look At Me Now rapper called Quavo's status in the rap collective Migos. Brown also details an incident where he ran into Quavo at Fashion Week and resisted the urge to beat him up. Brown also takes aim at Quavo's violent past, including the time in 2021 where he fought rapper Saweetie in an elevator. As explosive as those lyrics are, they pale in comparison to the lines Brown drops about his ex-girlfriend Karunche Tran, whom Quavo went on to also date. It is not clear if Brown is referring to Saweetie or another woman. However, these nuggets of news revealed that the beef between the two rappers is more serious than fans had previously known. To be fair, Quavo hit Chris where it hurts. He went after his history of beating ex-girlfriend Rihanna. In Tender, Quavo raps, "You did the BH wrong and now the BH gone. She posted with a tug, call the BH phone. She won't come home, don't bear her up. It must be the drugs. Need to cross out your plug." In the second verse he said, "Tell me lil bro, what's your issue? It's over a TT. You said it's bigger than that, but no it is not. It's cause I be digging in that. It got am hot. I am giving respect but I know you not. Your BH on my neck, your BH at the spot." Tender was in response to Brown track Freak of his 1111 album. The song is a collaboration with Lil Wayne, T Grizzly and Joyner Lucas. Brown raps, "Okay no FKIN, my all BHES ain't gon' make us equal. Sippin' that 1942 cause I don't do no Quavo freak. BH she likes Casamigo, not the Migos." So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.